What up, jobless? Joe, the remix, and the fashion. Joe, they come.
You ever seen on YouTube? This is the unboxing official. Welcome to another episode. So let's do the unboxing. So, oh, this is the wrong one, man. This is the wrong one. Man, where's the new one? Welcome to another episode. Ladies and gentlemen, this is VGR V171. You know, a new bad boy in town. I don't know why this thing keep popping up, keep coming and coming and coming. You know, yeah, that's it. So, I think this look like one heater trimmer. 2.5 hour charging time, a huge 240 minutes operating time. This is really huge, man. 1200 milliamp. So wait, this thing, don't know why. Let's put this aside and see what's inside. You got the manual, charging cable, 1, 2, 3, 4 guards. Okay, this is and you got 2 little brush. So time for the, and I hope it's a good one because it looks good, really good. And this is somehow leather, you know. I guess it's artificial leather, you know. Looks good. See the blade? Blade is not bad also. It has to be 0 gap, I guess. And I hope I will be able to 0 gap it. I hope, you know. So here on this side, here it's rating 2.5 hour charging time, and here 2 hours. It feels good, man. It really feels good. I would have preferred a USB charging. Let's turn it on. You hear that? Okay. Oh, it cannot be 0 gapped. Okay. So this is the original cutting blade, and I want to test this Kemi 1973 cutting blade, you know. So it fits, you know. So cam follower, maybe it will work. I knew it. So this is the original blade. This is my 1973 blade. Just to test if maybe it will work. So it's good now. You see that? Sharp now. See? Sharp now. So it can be zero gapped, So ladies and gentlemen, once again, if you want to buy a blade, a new cutting blade for this trimmer, it has to be a white cam follower. Okay, please don't forget. If you buy a black cam follower, it won't work no matter what you do, because the black cam follower is a little bit bigger than the white cam follower. So this is the original blade. You see, it's also a white cam follower, So I changed the blade. I put my white cam follower and it works. But I tried this one before with the black cam follower. No go. Okay. So peace out, man.
This cellophane, yeah, we condom. The same way, yeah, we tum tum. Take it out, no say we vom. No let you gum. Yeah, we president.